between memories and desperation. The railroad crossed a town, that name is too pretentious for a street and a few homes, to have the shops and motor, a pawn shop and a bar. Oh, people talk about a church and children playing near the school. Sometimes the population grows, every day is blessed with the birth of a new fool. The jewel of this ghost town is by the railroad track and dusty and faded train station, the single platform. You pay the manager a whiskey, maybe you'll hear his creepy tale, or foggy nights sweeping kid with a whistle freeze your vein. And backless shades of on a train that no one ever sees. From time to time, some hopeless soul buy a ticket to escape, spending days saving week before, collapsing on the spot, seen offenses, set the traps, but no one get here alive, no rolling more than 100 miles, just emptiness and void. Others are full of solitude, no shelter from the storm. A silence fill the days of night, only broken the howling of hellhound. Between memories and desperation, railroad cross a town, it may sound too pretentious, but his legend fills your eyes, founded by a guy named Nick, where a crossroad used to be. He built himself the platform and waited for his guest. He knew the secret of the tree to fill that lonely place. All trains are bound to stop in this village.